Welcome back to another video. My name is Raffay, aka the Crypto Network, and today we're going to be talking about, will crypto recover, will Bitcoin recover, and will my crypto assets ever make a recovery? Now, this video will also be part of the complete crypto guide for beginners. So if you guys ever want to watch any of these videos, you can always watch them back for free. However, if you guys have not already, be sure to join the Crypto Network Discord. Over 180,000 members already. I've been doing this for 2 years now, and my goal has always been to expand and provide educational, informational crypto content for you all here on the YouTube channel. And of course, if you guys would like to support me further, be sure to join the VIP club, $40 a month, to get weekly Q&A, market update signals, and what I'm buying on a week-to-week basis. Or you can join the lifetime club, which is one-time payment, and you never have to worry again. I've been doing this for 2 years now, and we have over 2,000 lifetime members, and we have over 6,000 students overall. So if you guys ever want to support me further, I don't take any paid promos or sponsored content. But yeah, let's get into today's video. Quick and easy to answer some questions. So a lot of people want to know, will crypto recover? And all these similar questions, right? I invest into something, and is it best if I dollar cost average? And of course, we uploaded yesterday's video about dollar cost averaging in the previous of this playlist. So if you have not already, be sure to watch the video about dollar cost averaging and when you should and when you should not, and how things go if you chose the wrong path. So overall, the way crypto works is naturally when Bitcoin crashes, your altcoins, such as, and if you don't know what an altcoin is, altcoins are anything that's aside from Bitcoin. So Ethereum would be an altcoin, BNB would be an altcoin, alternative crypto coin, asset, whatever you'd like to say. That's the best way to summarize that. So pretty much whenever Bitcoin crashes, altcoins crash even harder. The hardest ones to crash first are the low caps and the micro caps, which is why I highly advise everybody here, non-financial financial advice, is stay away from low caps and micro caps if you're somebody who's a long-term trader. Long-term trading is not for low caps and micro caps unless you run into a gem. And in order to find a gem in crypto space now, it's 1 in 1,000, 1 in 10,000. The chances of finding something that will be long-lasting and actually perform long-term is very hard. So don't fall in the trap of investing in the low caps and micro caps, because you're inevitably most likely going to fail. I've used the example that a lot of these crypto companies are, some of the top 50s are like the Amazon and eBay and PayPal, and naturally all these other thousands of cryptos coming out are trying to be just like them. But again, to compete with people who have already accomplished all this utility, all these different use cases, think about it. All these cryptocurrencies that we see on our screen, they all have something that they do that's unique. So crypto has been here for almost a decade now, and there's going to be a lot of cryptocurrencies that either do the same thing, do something different, and other cryptocurrencies trying to copy what they do. Similarly, when cryptocurrencies came out with staking, a lot of companies tried coming out with staking. When companies tried having actual physical products, other companies tried doing it, but not every crypto company succeeds. So will your crypto recover? Well, depending on what you invest into. If you invest into Bitcoin, naturally, if we look out, this is something that a lot of crypto investors do say. If we were to base things off a historical basis, if you zoom out, crypto has always recovered. Bitcoin has always recovered overall. We can't say crypto because not all of crypto has recovered, but Bitcoin itself has always seemed to recover. It goes down, goes up, goes down, goes down, recovers, go downs, recovers, go downs, recovers, goes down, and next would probably be a recovery. However, again, nothing is guaranteed in crypto, which I've always so explained. Don't make these crypto mistakes in crypto, which is a very important video to watch if you have not already. So again, overall, if you are investing into Bitcoin, the chances of it recovering, yes, Bitcoin is probably going to be here for a very long time, because it is a very risky asset class. And again, so many multi-million-dollar companies and corporate companies, and not only government officials, have also spoken about crypto. They're also trying to make it into real utility. Governments are trying to come out with their own cryptocurrencies. So the understanding how Bitcoin is going to pretty much be the basis of all crypto, right? So crypto evolves and revolves around Bitcoin. So overall, Bitcoin has to be here for a long time for all these companies to keep expanding on what they're trying to achieve, because naturally companies want to accept Bitcoin because it's something that they can make more money by. If more people start using something, they're going to start accepting it. For example, when PayPal came out, they came out with PayPal. They started letting people use debit cards so they can go to restaurants and companies and use a debit card from PayPal directly from the PayPal account. You can spend anything. Cash App. Cash App came out. They came out with their own Cash App card. People send you money. Boom. Venmo came out. Venmo came out with their own debit card, right? All these different companies came out with their different debit cards. So naturally, you're going to see cryptocurrencies also coming out with their own debit cards where you can add your assets and spend your cryptocurrency. So the answer is, will Bitcoin recover? If I were to bet money on it, I would believe so. I do believe that the long-term game plan of Bitcoin is very macro. The expansion of Bitcoin is big. In terms of adoption, it's very big. In terms of price action, not so much in a short term, but in a long term, again, if more people want something of something, it will naturally, there is only 21 million max supply of Bitcoin. So always there will only be that capped amount. So once that amount closes in more and more towards 100% circulating supply, the demand of Bitcoin is going to keep going up, especially with mining and how they have the halving coming up in like a year and a half or so. And if you don't know what a halving is, we'll make a video about that, an in-depth video. Halving is pretty much, it takes more effort to mine Bitcoin. And pretty much you mine Bitcoin at a slower rate, so which means now more value of Bitcoin is added to it naturally over time, and that's what happened last halving because Bitcoin did explode. So will Bitcoin recover? Most likely. Will it continue to be adopted? Surely. Now, other cryptocurrencies such as low caps and mid caps, and I hate to say this, but I don't want to drag out this video too long. If you invest into a low cap and micro cap, right? Low caps and micro caps, similarly, even if they have, let me show you again my biggest L in crypto I ever taken, which is video. I will be using this as an example. A beautiful website, beautiful use case, an actual project, an actual utility, something that people are actually can use. All these publishers who are using, their actual company. They also have a ton of advertisers who are using their project. They also have a lot of partners too, which I can't find right now. But they used to have a partner page, but I can't find it anymore now. But again, they have their public team, our story mission. Everything here looks perfect, right? But it's a microcap. It failed, and a lot of people lost a lot of money. So to retain those people and to get them to come back is going to be very hard. You already have a bad taste in people's mouth. So most likely, if I were to bet money, this is probably not going to recover for a very, very, very long time. So if you invest into anything that's a low cap and micro cap, which is anything below 100 million, and it crashes during a bear market, and they don't expand in the bear market, then the answer to your question is if your crypto will recover. The answer is no. Most likely 90% of the time, low caps and micro caps do not recover whenever the markets crash. However, the best thing you can pray for is another bull market where things go parabolic, and almost anything you invest into will probably go up just because people are consistently trying to find the next altcoin that explodes. They'll run into something like this. They'll be like, oh, this looks nice, right? They'll look at the chart and they'll realize, oh, like this could explode any second. Let me put some money into it. That's how naturally it happens. So if you're investing in the low caps and micro caps and the markets crash, 90% of chance your cryptos are not going to recover for a very, very, very long time. Whereas even Bitcoin, if it crashes, you will still see some bullish trends, which we have also explained in our previous playlist. So if you have not already, make sure you watch all the videos. I always say this every video. It's very important that you watch all these videos. I think we're at 10 videos now. So low caps, micro caps, 90% of chance they don't recover after a huge market crash. And if they do recover, it's way into the bull market. It's like halfway through the bull market after it's already finished. Now, when it comes to mid caps, it's a hit or miss. Mid caps are hit or misses, right? If they continue development, if they continue expansion, if they continue to advertise, if they continue to market themselves in a bear market, then there's a 50% chance that they will be able to recover. So the ratio there is pretty much direct and blunt as possible. And hopefully this video helped anybody answer the question about will your crypto recover, will your crypto assets recover, and will Bitcoin recover? I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Be sure to follow the socials if you haven't already. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well. Peace.